Welcome to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today's adventure takes us into the world of AI businesses with Chat GPT. Are you ready to explore the future? Chat GPT is not just a tool. It's a revolution. From generating human-like text to creating viral apps, the possibilities are endless. Imagine transforming your photos into animated art. With a single click. Meet Linza, an app that does just that. From real estate to SEO, AI's API opens doors for entrepreneurs. Discover 7 business ideas you can start without software development skills. Remember the NFT trend? AI is the new wave. Platforms like Copy AI are changing the game.
Create a unique resume for every job you apply. Now you can do this manually, but I prefer this site.
My favorite AI writing software ideal for small businesses called Copy.ai.
Copy AI is one of such tools that is incredibly powerful that you can use to enhance your writing in many different ways.
How can you ride this wave to success?
Sort of value things. It's like if everybody wants it, well then it has value.
I broadened my horizons and found other NFT areas that are really, the NFT area has just kind of captivated me.
Imagine creating multiple blog posts in a day. Or designing YouTube thumbnails with AI.
We all know that one of the essential ingredients to a successful YouTube channel is attractive thumbnails. A powerful thumbnail can significantly boost your video's click-through rate, thus driving more views and subscribers to your channel.
Now we're going to experiment with Adobe Firefly AI and Photoshop Beta to create some really cool images that will be used in the YouTube thumbnail.
The possibilities are endless. Lead generation. Newsletters and automation.
Be one of the first companies to run Facebook ads. The opportunity is AI automation.
All powered by AI. What's your niche? Let's find the perfect fit.
You can start an AI automation agency to help companies create their own AI model.
Just start a newsletter, and once you sign up, you're going to end up on this page right here. And to be honest, it's really easy to navigate around here. This is your dashboard.
Value arbitrage with AI? Yes, it's possible. Target specific niches. Provide valuable services. And create a lucrative opportunity. The AI revolution is here. And it's time to embrace it. What will you create? The future is waiting.
A little bit later in the video, I'm going to tell you how you can capitalize on this to 10x how much you make, rather than being afraid of it in the short term and curling up in a ball and putting your head in the sand and like hoping it goes away. It's here and it's only going to get more dangerous and powerful.
And it's filled with endless possibilities. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to AI Tools, your survival kit, for more exciting content. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.